Today we will be discussing the curvature of indifference curves. So firstly we have a straight line indifference curve. So indifference curve is a straight line if the goods are perfect substitutes, and in this marginal rate of substitution is constant rate. The goods may be like Pepsi and Coca-Cola. After that we have right-angled indifference curve. Indifference curve is right-angled for perfect complements. Convex indifference curve. The indifference curve is convex for imperfect substitutes, and in this we have utility functions like Cobb-Douglas. That curve approaches to the axis but does not hit them. Constant elasticity of substitution. It has convex indifference curve too. Cauchy linear utility function. Its indifference curve is convex too.